we have completed the second part of a circle, that is radius, and now we are going to learn about the third one, that is chord. Now look at the diagram. What is O? O is the center of circle. Is that clear? Now, what is this point? Answer my question. This is suppose OA. Okay. OA is the radius. OA is the radius of the circle. Correct? Done. So after this, we are going to learn the next one, that is chord. Very simple concept again it is. So what is chord of a circle? If I do the folding, small foldings of the circle, right? Like this. Suppose this is a circle and I started to fold it from bottom. Okay. Suppose this is a circle and I fold it. One fold makes the circle like this. Okay. If you fold it, then a line will be formed here. If you do another folding, okay. So what will happen? It will make a line here. Right. And this line joins 2 points on the circle. Correct? This line joins 2 points on the circle. So dear friends, the line which joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle is called as chord. Very simple concept. Chord म्हणजेच जीवा कशाला म्हणायचं आहे? The line that joins. Okay, look at the board here. So this point is A. Okay, and now this point is B. Suppose without joining point B with the center, if I join the point B with A like this. Okay. So what will happen? If I join these 2 points, the segment AB becomes, okay. One more thing, if I join this point with this one and connect them, a line is formed, right? This point is C, this point is D, suppose. Even I can do one more arrangement like this. There is a point and here is again a point. If I join these 2 points, then a segment is formed. Correct. I will name it E and F. Okay, it is sufficient. So what is happening here? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है भाई? देखो, पहा, वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू जोडले की एक सरळ रेषा तयार व्हायला लागली आणि ह्या रेषेमुळे ते 2 बिंदू जोडले चाललेले आहेत. म्हणूनच वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू एकमेकांना जोडल्यानंतर तयार होणारा जो भाग आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? chord असं म्हणतो. और इट इज means when two points of a circle, 2 points on a circle are connected to each other, then it is called as the chord. Or it is simply, what is the definition? A chord is the line that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle, on the curve of a circle is called as chord. Okay, so this is the definition of the chord. What is the definition? The line that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle is called as chord. म्हणजे वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू त्यांना जोडणाऱ्या रेषेला काय म्हणायचं? chord असं म्हणायचं. म्हणजे डायग्राम मध्ये CD हा काय झाला? chord. Okay. So in the diagram, CD is a chord of circle, or in the figure, CD is the chord of circle. Okay, one more thing is that, can we draw the chord like this? आपल्याला chord असा काढता येईल का? समजा हा पॉइंट D आहे आणि हा पॉइंट इथे काहीतरी EFG आहे. If I join the points D through the center like this, if 3 points are on a straight line in center and these all, okay, I'll use the different color to join this path. Okay, I'll join again from D through center, it will go to the point G, right? Now here the question is that, is DOG, means it is not dog, DOG dog, read from here, God, that is God. If you change your attitude, then words are also and their meanings are also changed. So let's learn the mathematics. So if I connect D with O and then O with G, a line that passes through the center of a circle and joins 2 points on the curve of circle, what is it now? Is it a chord? Yes, it is the biggest chord of the circle or largest chord of the circle, and largest chord of the circle is the diameter of that circle. That concept we are going to learn after this. Okay, so dear friend, DG or DOG is also the chord, but the special name is given, that is diameter. And why the special or separate name is given? Because it is the largest chord. Okay, so that means diameter. We'll see just after the chord. So okay, these all can be considered as the chords. Okay friends, so here, how many chords a circle has? And the answer is yes, a circle has many chords, many or infinite chords. Okay, you can draw the chords in any direction, just they have to means that line has to join 2 points on a circle. chord तुम्ही कसाही काढू शकता, फक्त वर्तुळावरचे 2 बिंदू जोडले गेले पाहिजेत, तरच त्याला आपण chord म्हणू शकू, किंवा तरच त्याला आपण जीवा असं म्हणू शकू, अन्यथा नाही. ओके, आणि मधून गेलेली ही जी रेषा आहे ना, ती सुद्धा जीवा आहे, पण ती सर्वात मोठी जीवा आहे. तिला आपण स्वतंत्र नाव देऊन शिकणार आहोत, आणि ते नाव आहे व्यास किंवा डायमीटर. ओके, सो इन द डायग्राम line CD, then line DG, then the line AB, the line EF are the chords. आकृतीमध्ये एवढे सगळे chords आहेत असं आपल्याला नोट करता येऊ शकतं.